So like where I come from, right? Nigeria, right? A tribe in Nigeria, right? So Python, my ancestor used to worship Python. So the present day, up to the present day, they don't kill it.
Yeah.
So when Python comes into your house, right? You just have to use stick and take it out. They don't bite us because we're from that same village. Up to today, they still worship Python. But I'm a Christian, so we don't do that anymore. Like my own family don't do that. But some indigenes, like who still believe in that tradition, they still, worship Python. Yeah. So the village, we have a stream called. It was named after the Python. So it's very common in that village. So the village is known for worshiping pythons. So even myself, I can't keep python. If I see python, because they said if you keep python, you just have to like do funeral for it, like human, like you're doing funeral for human, right? You have to do funeral. If you don't do that, something's gonna happen in that family. Like spiritually, people will be dropping dead, one after the other. So yeah, it's a very strong.
They're very respected animals.
Yes. Wow.
They deserve it.
Yeah, they're very regal.
Yes, they are. They are honestly beautiful, beautiful animals.
Yeah, very sweet, very.
They don't bite, but when they get big, they eat by swallowing.
Yeah, they constrict. They're very strong.
Wow.
I'm try not
So,
to just at the table.
are they the only two you have?
No, I have 2 more at home.
Oh, baby Sue?
One of them's a baby, the other one is not.
Wow. So how do you?
The oldest.
She's 4 years old.
4 years old. So these are how many years old?
This guy, he's like a year old, and this guy is 10 months old.
Wow. Do you have a name for them?
Yep.
Oh, really?
This is Ant, and this is Cricket.
Wow.
And the other 2?
I like that color though. I like the yellow color, the yellow white color.
Yep.
Wow. Do you have like a kind of YouTube channel, like where you?
Nope.
You don't have any social media?
Nope.
Do you know you can be a celebrity with this?
I could. But they're just my babies.
Honestly, yeah. Just your
He
name.
really wants to be in your.
You just name your snake. You need snake. Snake
he always
what?
wants to be picked up.
Snake is my
He's
pet.
clingy. Oh.
I'm telling you, you will be famous.
Touch my sandwich.
Wow.
Well, thank you for letting me share.
2 red-eyed tree frogs and a leopard gecko at home. My parents will not let me have a snake just yet because you have to have like a really hi, hello, hi. Can you get a picture? Can you send that to me?
Yeah, I'll send this to you. My outside camera is so blurry.
I love the like iridescent thing in there. Thank you. Okay. I need to get my drinks. Hello. Hi. Yes, I know it's warm in there, but I have to give you back to Thank you so much. Come here, buddy.
The other one's just chilling.
Yeah, he's just chilling. He's happy. Thank you. You're welcome.
Are you scared?
No. Can you take it?
I want to.
I wanna, we want to.
I want to.
Ei, poza, îți pui și ochelari. Bă, ce fain se simte, pune mâna pe el.
He wants to do it.
Dă-mi telefonul, nu-ți faci nimic, am fără frică.
Can I make a selfie?
Don't shake.
Vezi să nu
You're
cadă.
good. You're good. You can stand straight.
You can stand up straight.
You can stand up straight. Are you scared?
Ai.
Okay, take, please. I'm scared.
What type it is? What species?
This is a reticulated python.
The way a snake eats has been an object of fear and awe since it was observed for the first time. This is how it is done. First, the snake stalks his prey and prepares to strike. When striking, the snake pulls his head back and propels his body forward, latching onto his prey and quickly wrapping his body around to suffocate it. The snake will then hold his grip until he feels his prey's heart stop beating. When the snake is sure that his prey is dead, he slowly unwraps his body. Next, the snake will determine whether or not it is safe to begin eating. When he senses that there are no predators near, he determines the best place to start. This is usually the head of his prey. The snake will then line his body up with the head of his prey and open his flexible jaws, moving them forward with the help of his curved teeth to pull the food into his mouth. A snake's jaw is different than a human's in that it has flexible muscles connected to its jaw, and the bones are not fused together, allowing for independent movement. This is what helps the snake eat prey that is larger than the size of his head. This process can take a while, depending on the size of his prey. Once the prey is seemingly consumed, the snake will use his strong muscles and sometimes pick his head up, utilizing the help of gravity to move the prey further into its stomach where digestion takes place.
No, I'm not gonna put it in my neck.
I love it. I buy one. I swear I buy one.
No.
He won't bite you, he's just smelling you. Because you're a new person, so he wants to see who you are.
You got it. Don't drop it.
Daddy!
You got it.
You hold it!
You're holding it.
You hold it.
Just don't squeeze, okay?
I would never squeeze.
Go ahead.